Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to separate a video from its background in Canva? Canva Mobile includes a feature that allows you to detach a video from the background and edit it separately. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to detach video from background in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Open an existing video project or choose a project from your designs. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit on the timeline. Then tap the three dot icon. A menu will appear. Select Detach video from background. Canva will separate the video from the background. The video and background will become separate elements that you can edit individually. You can adjust each part based on your project. Once you're finished, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your video. And that's how to detach video from background in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.